Hand washing is a self-performance skill. It's performed the same across all testing vendors. This skill, hand washing, will be the first skill you perform during your skills exam. For test takers in the state of Florida, you'll perform this skill twice during your exam, at the beginning and at the end. The following steps are heavily weighted steps. Lathering your hands, wrists, and fingers, creating friction to produce lather for at least 20 seconds while maintaining your hands below the level of your elbows with fingertips down, and thoroughly rinsing all soap from hands, wrists, and fingers. If you test under Headmaster, Pearson VUE, or Credentia, these two steps are considered critical element steps. If you omit these steps or perform these steps incorrectly, you'll receive an automatic fail on this skill. For Prometric, these two steps are weighted heavily. Before washing your hands, you must remove any hand, wrist, and finger jewelry. It's highly advised that you wear absolutely no jewelry during testing. After you have removed any hand, wrist, or finger jewelry, your next step is to turn on the faucet. If the sink has two handles, you need to turn on both taps. If the sink has one handle, you'll need to turn that one handle to the center setting. After turning on the water, you must wet wrists, hands, and fingers. To remove any excess water, you can lightly tap your fingers together or lightly wiggle them. After wetting your hands, wrists, and fingers, apply soap. After applying soap to hands, you may begin lathering your hands, wrists, and fingers for at least 20 seconds, creating friction to produce lather while maintaining your hands below the level of your elbows with fingertips down. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10 1000, 11 1000, 12 1000, 13 1000, 14 1000, 15 1000, 16 1000, 17 1000, 18 1000, 19 1000, 20 1000. After lathering your hands for at least 20 seconds, you now must clean the cuticles of each finger on each hand and underneath all fingernails. After cleaning cuticles and underneath fingernails, you must now rinse all soap off of your hands, wrists, and fingers, while maintaining your hands below the level of your elbows with fingertips down. While lathering and rinsing, you must ensure your hands do not touch the insides of the sink. If they do, you will need to make a self-correction and ask if he or she would like for you to restart the skill. After rinsing your hands, lightly tap your fingertips together to remove any excess water, or lightly wiggle the excess water off of your fingers. After rinsing all soap from hands, now you can dry your hands. You'll start by drying each individual finger on each hand first, and then dry remaining areas of wrist, hands, and fingers. You must dispose of each paper towel into the waste bin after each use. You can use as many paper towels as needed to dry your hands, but remember, after each use, you must dispose of it into the waste bin. Once you're done drying your hands, you'll use a clean, dry paper towel to turn off the taps. Then dispose of the paper towel into the waste bin. Once you've disposed of your paper towel into the waste bin, you can now state skill complete, I'm finished, or I'm done.